today is the day people can start signing up for one of the new health insurance policies created by the new healthcare law. Those insurance policies would go into effect on January 1st. Here to help us understand a little more about those policies now available to purchase on the exchange marketplace is medical reporter Meg Farris.
And we're continuing our look this week with the changes that are coming in healthcare. And joining me to help understand these thousands of pages of changes is Gabe Janusa from Demand Insurance and Benefits. Let's start with, when you go onto the exchange, a lot of people heard, oh, Louisiana is not going to have the exchange. All that is companies that will be able to enroll you. It's the marketplace, but we will get that benefit here.
That's correct. I mean, even though we're not going to have a state-run or a partnership exchange, we'll be using the federal facility marketplace operating in Louisiana so people can have access to the insurance.
Same thing as anybody else in any other state.
Well, not all. Some states are doing their own state-run program. Some are doing a partnership program, but Louisiana has chosen to use the federal fallback exchange.
But we will get that benefit of getting the subsidies if you qualify.
If you qualify, yes.
In this area, 3 companies and organizations are selling or enrolling people in one of the new plans. 2 are nonprofit, Blue Cross Blue Shield and Louisiana Health Cooperative. And 1 is a profit group, Humana, but only in Jefferson Parish. Explain why you would want to go to one over the other. All of them are going to be offering different plans.
I don't think there's any particular reason why you would choose one or the other if one's nonprofit or not. Really, I think the consumers need to compare plans based on their metallic value. Some plans will be bronze, some plans will be silver, gold, platinum. Some plans will have different networks versus others. They really need to work with an agent to figure out what plan is best for them.
And what you have been explaining to me, educating me well, is that a bronze from company A may be completely different than a bronze company from company B.
Sure, it could.
Okay, and so you need to see what best fits you and what you can best afford.
That's exactly right.
And so you no longer will they be able to ask you about any pre-existing conditions, but they will base your rates on age, location, geographic location, family size, and tobacco use. Explain that to me.
The one question that they're going to ask you essentially that may impact your premium for the most part would be if you use tobacco or not. And if you do use tobacco and you communicate that to the insurance carrier, they may apply an additional 50% surcharge over and above your health insurance rate.
But if your company has a smoking cessation program, you may get an incentive to lower your rates and go help quit smoking.
That is possible. Not all employers offer a smoking cessation program, but an employer, if they do, they could offer perhaps up to a 50% discount.
What I understand is that this is really pushing people to the preventive side. In other words, you're going to have wellness exams that are now free. They're hoping to keep our population more well so we won't cost more as we age.
That's right. There's a list of, or a number of different essential health benefits that will be included in all non-grandfathered health plans. And essentially all those services will be covered at 100% paid for by the insurance carrier. So there'd be no out-of-pocket cost to the individual.
And that's stuff like what? A mammogram? What else am I? Things like that. A woman's OBGYN visit.
Routine physicals, things like that.
Okay. All right. And so there's some thought that maybe for older people, their cost of the policy will go down, and for younger people, it will go up on this. That's just speculation.
Well, it's not really speculation. There's a new ruling, what we call rate compression, where an older person will never pay 3 times more than a younger person. So if you're dealing in a pool where somebody's age 65 and somebody's 21, that 21-year-old will never pay more than that 65-year-old, essentially.
And this is why you need to go to your agents or these navigators who are coming out to figure out what plan is best for you. Gabe, we have a lot of homework to do. Thank you very much, and we appreciate that.
And there is more information on the healthcare enrollment process online at healthcare.gov. And on our website, we have a special page including stories and videos by Meg explaining the process. That's at wwltv.com/healthcare.